everyone. We are back to the show. This is, what's your name?
John.
And I am Rhea.
Oh my gosh.
This guy is drunk. Can you tell?
And?
Can you tell?
Oh my gosh. Move.
Okay, let's do this. Ready? What do you want to do? Let's do Maria.
I don't want to do anything.
I have an idea.
Look at that, look at that.
I have an
Oh my
idea.
god. Fucking look at it. Chip in. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah,
I'm
and we got
fine.
PJ on the sideline.
Yeah. I'm about to go to Derby's house and smoke a little.
Bam, bam, bam,
Jones, go smoke right now.
bam. Babe, get up real quick.
I'm trying.
We're going to Derby's house.
How long has it been, babe? Tell
I
them.
don't even know.
Tell them.
Like 5 years.
5? No, he's lying. Tell them.
5 years.
And where am I gonna go next week?
To my house.
No, where am I gonna go?
To my house.
Where is my trip?
To my house.
Oh
Vietnam.
my gosh. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Anyways, we're bored. He's drunk. He can't even stay up. Look at him. He's drunk.
And you gotta go walk across the street, nigga. It's a far
He's
ass walk.
knocked out. Look at you. Look, babe. Look. Look at the Z's. Look. Knocked out. Oh, yeah. 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 Boop, boop, boop.